Let's learn the names of some amazing birds. Are you ready? Let's go.
This is a peacock.
Yay!
This is a peacock. Peacocks have shiny blue feathers and giant, colourful tails. They spread their tail like a fan to show how beautiful they are.
This is a robin.
Yay!
Meet the robin. Robins are small birds with red chests. They love to sing and are often seen in gardens.
This is a dove.
Yay!
Doves are gentle birds with soft feathers. They make calm cooing sounds and are known for their peaceful nature.
This is a hawk.
Yay!
Hawks are powerful birds with sharp eyes. They fly high and hunt small animals with great speed.
This is a hummingbird.
Yay!
This is a hummingbird. Hummingbirds are tiny birds with bright, shiny feathers. They flap their wings so fast they can even hover like a helicopter.
This is a swan.
Yay!
This is a swan. Swans are big white birds with long necks and orange beaks. They glide across the water and are known for their beauty.
This is a crow.
Yay!
This is a crow. Crows are shiny black birds known for their clever minds. They can solve puzzles and even remember people.
This is a toucan.
Yay!
Toucans are tropical birds with big, colourful beaks. They live in rainforests and love to eat fruit.
This is a falcon.
Yay!
Falcons are fast-flying birds with sharp beaks and claws. They use their speed to catch other birds in the air.
This is a parrot.
Yay!
This is a parrot. Parrots are bright and colourful birds. They can copy sounds and sometimes even talk like people.
This is a canary.
Yay!
Canaries are small yellow birds with sweet voices. They are often kept as pets for their cheerful song.
This is an ostrich.
Yay!
The ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. It can't fly, but it runs really fast with its long legs.
This is a pigeon.
Yay!
Pigeons are grey birds with shiny neck feathers. They live in cities and always find their way back home, even from far away.
This is a turkey.
Yay!
Turkeys are big birds with fan-shaped tails. They make a gobbling sound and are often seen on farms.
This is a blue jay.
Yay!
Blue jays are bright blue birds with pointed crests. They are often seen in trees and love to collect acorns.
This is a vulture.
Yay!
Vultures are large birds with wide wings and sharp eyes. They help keep nature clean by eating dead animals.
This is a goldfinch.
Yay!
Goldfinches are small birds with bright yellow feathers. They often fly in groups and love to eat seeds.
This is a woodpecker.
Yay!
Woodpeckers have strong beaks. They peck on trees to find insects and make their homes.
This is a macaw.
Yay!
Macaws are large, colourful parrots with bright feathers and strong beaks. They love to talk and live in the rainforest.
This is a lark.
Yay!
Larks are small brown birds with long legs. They are often seen in open fields and grassy lands.
This is a wren.
Yay!
Wrens are tiny brown birds with short tails. They like to hide in bushes and hop around quickly.
This is a sandpiper.
Yay!
Sandpipers are small birds with long legs and thin beaks. They live near water and run along the shore.
This is a seagull.
Yay!
Seagulls are white and grey birds often seen near the sea. They soar in the sky and call out with loud cries.
This is a cuckoo.
Yay!
Cuckoos are shy birds known for their unique cuckoo sound. They often hide in trees and sing during springtime.
This is a hornbill.
Yay!
Hornbills are large birds with big curved beaks. They live in tropical forests and often nest in tree holes.
This is a nightingale.
Yay!
Nightingales are small brown birds known for their beautiful songs. They often sing at night in quiet places.
This is a mockingbird.
Yay!
Mockingbirds are grey birds with long tails. They are often spotted in backyards, parks and open areas.
This is a rooster.
Yay!
This is a rooster. It's a male chicken with colourful feathers and a tall, proud comb on its head.
This is a sparrow.
Yay!
Sparrows are tiny brown birds that love to hop around and chirp. You can often see them near houses and trees.
This is a finch.
Yay!
Finches are small birds with short beaks. They come in many colours and are often seen hopping around trees and bushes.
This is an eagle.
Yay!
This is an eagle. Eagles are powerful birds with sharp eyes. They fly high in the sky and can see things far, far away.
This is a hen.
Yay!
Hens are farm birds with soft feathers. They lay eggs and care for their chicks.
This is a puffin.
Yay!
Puffins are seabirds with colourful beaks and short wings. They live on rocky cliffs and dive into the ocean for fish.
This is a blackbird.
Yay!
Blackbirds are dark feathered birds with bright eyes. They are often seen in gardens and grassy areas.
This is a canary.
Yay!
Canaries are small yellow birds with sweet voices. They are often kept as pets for their cheerful song.
This is a partridge.
Yay!
Partridges are plump, ground-dwelling birds. They have short tails and are often found in fields and grassy areas.
This is a myna.
Yay!
Miners are medium-sized birds with shiny feathers. They like to hop around gardens and roads.
This is a cockatoo.
Yay!
Cockatoos are smart birds with fluffy crests on their heads. They are playful, loud, and love to copy sounds.